Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video blog here from Effingham Golf Club. I know it's been a while, but it's just been routine maintenance really. It's been a very dry year, of course. The irrigation's been working very hard, which is happening at the moment behind me. As you can see there, this is actual fact is a new tool to us. It's a new irrigation equipment we bought. It's on a big reel, it's mobile, runs off our system. Currently just watering the patch in the middle of the first fairway, the bit we extended. It's just dried out a little bit. So yeah, business as usual. It's been a good year so far. A few little changes we've done. One of them, of course, is around the tee banks. You've seen that. Why have we left the grass around the tee banks? I personally think it looks fantastic. It looks very downlandy. One's the ecology. The other thing is the amount of savings on man hour and diesel. It was 3 guys all day and probably burning 40-50 litres of diesel on a machine. So we've made a big saving with that. And then man hours have gone into hand cutting greens, of course. So to add something, we need to save somewhere. But I think it's been a big improvement, and of course the hand cutting's been very welcomed by everybody. The irrigation's taken a lot of time this year, a lot of hand watering. It's been a dry year. It was a dry winter, to be honest with you, but the course has held up really well. I think the grasses have been really good. Hence why the pollen rates have been so high this year, because of it being a dry start, the grasses have really dominated the countryside, and they've all seeded in the last couple of weeks. Pollen rates and the dust has been really high. That's why we haven't got so many wildflowers in the rough this year as well. The wildflowers prefer a wetter start to the year to get them going, but they're still there. They just haven't shown this year, but they, wet start next year and they'll all be back up again. But hey, that's nature, that's ecology. It's fantastic. The other thing we've done while we're on that subject, we've purchased our first electric strimmer. We've got to move on with the times as well. Keep using these 2-stroke noisy strimmers and bits and pieces. They will be coming to an end one day. In California, they're also banning 2-stroke. So we're trying an electric strimmer. So far, so good. Bought it from MPS down the road, and it's very good for what we need it for. That little 10-minute, 5-minute strimming sessions. Good battery life, and yeah, very powerful machine. So I'm quite impressed. We may introduce next year another one onto the system, and maybe look at the blowers as well, because they're getting better and better as well, and they're quieter and very efficient. Other than that, we're at the team of 9 at the moment, which is good. They're all working well, and we're now really getting ready for course maintenance. Well, there is course maintenance in August, but it's club week. Obviously the famous club week's coming up, so it's start prepping the course up for that. We've still got the captains competitions to get out of the way, and a few little inter-club competitions, but other than that, we're getting through the year. So hope you're enjoying it. Stay safe and enjoy your golf. Cheerio.